Hello everyone, how are you? This is Alex from Beyond. Now I'm in Diyarbakir, Turkey, with our DG50 rig, 1500 horsepower. So now let me make a simple introduction for this rig. This rig is a 1500 horsepower mechanical rig. Now it is in Diyarbakir, Turkey, ready to spot. And it has 3 engines by Chinese engine. And here is the air compressor house. It's not ready yet. And this is the 2 air compressor air tank. And this is our motor pump F1600. It has 3 motor pumps. And here is the engine. We have 3 engine, China GT's engine with gearbox, and come to the belt transmission. This is a belt-driven rig, and this is the shipping mark. And from here we can see the transmission, power and transmission system for the rig. We have 3 diesel engine here, 1000 kilowatts each, and after this combination by belt, it can drive this drawworks, and from the drawworks there is a shaft, current shaft to drive the rotor table. And also we use this system to drive 2 motor pumps, one's here and one's there, and there's another one back, it's independent with engine. And also with this transmission we also have 1 compressor and 1 generator. We call it energy saving. Let's do a check. Now we are here. This is the engine, and now we come into the this is the energy saving generator. 800 kilowatt or 500, I forgot. And that is 1 air compressor. This is the drawworks, and with the eddy current brake as the auxiliary brake. And it's a rig mast with the top drive. Top drive is from GH Patrol, and that is the motor system. 2 motor pumps, 3 engine. And from here we come to the drawworks position. It is the drawworks drum, and this is the cellar ready wellhead, and that is the BOP guide reel with the tooling. And this is the energy saving generator. Air compressor. Why we call it air energy saving? Because this air compressor, it does not have its independent power system, no diesel engine, no electric motor. It is driven by this rig transmission system. There is 1 shaft here, and come to the belt pulley, and to drive this air compressor. And also here we have this energy saving generator. So let me see the capacity. Capacity is 625 kVA. So normally, when the rig is running, you can use this generator only. No need to start the independent generator. So you can still feel. And you see this one also. It has the this belt transmission to drive this energy saving generator. And here is the motor manifold. Mar tank. Now we come to the supplementary food. From this rig, we have a double slant pipe because we have top right there. And this is the degasser, pour boy degasser. Not pour boy degasser, oil and gas separator. This is the supplementary food. These are all the drill pipes. Catwalk, rim, and this is the mast. Now we are going up the drilling floor. Check. From here we're coming up to the drilling floor. This is the top drive already installed. GH control functionality. Is the hydraulic pipe fuel pipe tank. Is the mechanical tank. We have two. Another one is here. And we also have this hydraulic head. And the drilling cabin. Here we can see the overview, top view for the power and transmission system. Tank. That is the air compressor house, the third mud pump, generator. That is the top drive VFD control, the generator house, and the diesel tank. And here is the mud system. This is the BOP remote control, and that is the mud pit. And this is the mud system. Now let's go and check the driller's cabin. Now it is morning time, so the work must start yet. This is the hydraulic station. This is the hydraulic station for the BOP. No, not for BOP. Let me check. For the hydraulic disc brake for the props. Here we are inside the driller's cabin. So inside this driller's cabin, we have this remote control for the. Not the remote control. We have the control panel for the top drive. And also we have this weight indicator and instrumentation. That is the monitor. This is the remote control. Electric control for the diesel engine. Engine speed, we have 4 diesel engine. 3 engines for the rig, and 1 engine for the third mud pump. This is a special request from TPAO, Turkey Petroleum. Now let's check outside. This is the doghouse. And there is the tanking. So now this is the floor, and we will check other parts. Here it is the third independent mud pump, because TPU asked for 3 mud pumps. So we have this independent engine. with a hydraulic coupler. And this is mud pump. And here we have this MSCC electric control for the electric motors, mainly from the MAN system. A soft start. And this is the diesel system, diesel fuel system. High-raised diesel tank. Uh, 40 cubic meter diesel tank. And here is the VFD house for the top drive. The VFD house. They are doing all the training. This is the BOP remote control. And these are two generators prepared by the client themselves. And here in the catwalk, we put inside one sinking line goes to the top. This is the mother return, what do you call it? Mother return pipe, umbrella. Where I had my umbrella. And here's the ignition device. Now let's go to the mud tank. Yeah, we are on top of the mud tank. As per TPU ask, they ask for 3 shell shakers. So we have 3 shell shakers here. And this is together. This is a pure tank. And this sander, this filter, and centrifuge. This is the duty house on the mud tank. All the agitators. This is the water tank, clean water tank. And here's the mud mixing hopper. It's so hot. This is the 3rd independent mud pump. Okay, that's all. It's so hot, I cannot. I had to go back to the air conditioner house. It's so hot. So goodbye.